ever get too comfortable.
So this is a story I'm about to talk about as well. Let's tell people the story about when you got kicked out. That story right there. It's for people who got food truck and that probably think that they can go sell wherever they want. So let's give people the tea.
Anyways, the moral of the story is don't ever get too comfortable, because that's what happened to me. I got too comfortable. I felt like I was sitting out great food out there, and the truck driver told me how great the food is and everything. I did get permission from the store manager.
Let's give people everything real. Don't get mad at me because I told you not to do it.